job, Nora. Uh-oh, did we lose your other hand? Can you get your hand out? Aw. Aw. Careful. Good job. Thank you, Charlotte. What a nice big sister. You love her so much.
I want you to know about cows.
That's so sweet. Aw, thank you, Charlotte. What's
What is that fish?
Thank you, Charlotte. What a nice big sister. So helpful. Woo! That was a big jump, Nora.
Ew, that is a big poo.
Charlotte's changing her baby's diaper.